Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you how you can start making $5 every single hour by using this one website. I'm also going to show you a method to get there as soon as possible. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money in 2020. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is the website right here, guys, and this one is a brand new website that I have recently just signed up for, and I'm going to leave the links down in the description of this video. But the cool thing about this website, guys, is the level system. I have not seen a level system that pays out 0.00055 every single hour, guys. Now I'm going to show you how fast you can actually level up, so make sure you keep watching this video, guys, because this level up system will be passive at the end of this video, guys. So now the cool thing about this is that as soon as you sign up under the link, they're going to give you some free bonus spins once you verify your email address. So you're going to get something just like this. It says the word verify, and once you click on that and you verify your email address, you're going to get some free bonus faucets, guys. And I would highly recommend you guys actually doing that, and so you can get some more money to actually do this method that I'm about to show you to make this passive. So once you actually sign up, you will get the free hourly faucets, and you're going to start off with the stone level. So you're only going to get 0.0 or 15 satoshis for these stone levels. So make sure you just start racking up the points or the cryptocurrency, but don't worry about the money at the moment. This is small money, guys, but I'm going to show you a trick to where you can actually start getting all the way down here to the master as quickly as possible. I'm already on the iron level, guys, so I'm about to be on the bronze, and I've just signed up I think 2 days ago, and I'm already starting to actually use this method, and I'm going to show you exactly how to start leveling up as quickly as possible. So let's go over here to the verify bonus real quick, and let's actually redeem some of these verify bonuses that I have received. So let me just click on this and let it go through, and we're going to get some crypto 50 satoshis right there for just clicking on this one button for doing absolutely nothing. Let's go back to the hourly faucet. You can come down here and you can see right here where it says the amount of free bitcoins that you earn will depend on your level and paid out accordingly to the table below. Your level is iron. To reach the next level, please play our games. This is the important part right here. It says please play our games to actually start leveling up on this system. Now it says wagered is 0.00185691 target, so I need to reach up to 0.005 in order to actually get to the next level. So I'm going to show you a system that I have been doing for just 1 day, guys, and I'm already on the iron level, and I have not invested any money inside of this platform. And I have no affiliates, no referrals, nothing. So this is a super easy and simple method that you guys can follow right now. So what I would recommend you guys doing is just start racking up at least 1,000 Bitcoin. So you just got to do a couple of these of actual faucets and bonus faucets, and then we can come over here and start playing the dice game, guys. So this is the way we're gonna start to do this method and start to make it passive, so we can start to level up and get some more crypto every single hour. So I'm going to be using the dice game for this method. So the cool thing about the dice game is you just got to bet 0.001 satoshi, and then once you bet 1 satoshi, guys, you need to leave this running as much as possible. So I like to come over here to the auto. I keep it 50-50. I increase it by 100% if I go on the red or lose some money, so I can have the chance to get it back. So what I do is I just keep these settings the exact same way I have it right here on this screen, and then I just click on auto dice. So now I'm betting 0.1 satoshi of cryptocurrency of Bitcoin, and it's going to try to prolong this as long as possible so I can wager in some more money off of this, guys. So if we start off with 0.00185796, so 5796, right? 5796. We're going to go back to the dice. We're going to come over here to auto. We're going to click on increase by 5796. So we're just gonna let this run for a couple of seconds, guys, so I can show you that this is actually working on the wager tab. I left this running for 1 day, for 24 hours, and I'm already on the second level of this actual website, guys. So if you just stay consistent on this, and if you guys are interested in actually leveling up a little bit quicker, go ahead and deposit like $2 or $3 inside of this account. There is no minimum. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to wager as much money as possible so I can come over here and start to level up sooner and faster, guys. So look, 0.00188,461. So if I just come over here to the dice game and just try to keep this running as much as possible, so I can just start it all up again and keep it at 0.1 Satoshi, then we just can start growing up our level on this actual faucet page to get all the way down here, guys. Look at the master. Look how much you're gonna get paid every single hour from the master actual plan. 0.00055 BTC. So let's search that up to see exactly how much that is. You can see right there, guys, 0.0055 BTC is around $5.20, and this is going to be every single hour. So if we pull out the calculator, so if we come over here to the calculator, guys, you're going to have $5. If you run this 24 hours a day, and if you have like some auto system that you can actually put on this website, then look how much money you can make. $120 every single day from using this one website right here. And this is going to be my goal, to actually go all the way up here to the master plan so I can start getting paid $5 every single hour. So there are other methods on how you can make money off of this. So there's this Jim's actual game that you can play, and you have to bet at least 100 Satoshis. So you have easy mode, you have medium mode, and you have hard mode. So easy mode will have two of these boxes that are diamonds, that have like diamond symbols on them, or it's gonna make you that multiplier right there. So we can just go ahead and try this out. So you just click on whatever you want to bet, you click on start, and you can just choose one of these and get that diamond right there, guys. So I just like to choose it because it's easy, and I like to stop around 4 or 6. So I'm going to stop right here, and that's it, guys. I'm going to cash out. So I'm going to earn 448 Satoshis. So we're going to cash out, and now we just earned that money. So there's that way you can actually play to earn some more XP pretty much for your leveling up on the faucet tab, or you can come over here to these slots and start to do the same thing. You have auto slots. You can bet however much lines. There's only 3 lines because there's 3 bars right here, and on top of that you can bet your amount per spin. So let's just auto spin that, and we're just going to start to accumulate even more money. And all of this is just helping you level up on the actual system alone, so you can start to grow to that master faucet down here, guys. So this is a cool website that I have just recently found. I even have another bonus that I can do right now. So as you can see, I just made another 50 Bitcoin right there, guys. So if you're interested in using this application, make sure to click the link down in the description of this video so you can get started right away. I want to show you guys something really quick before I continue on with this video. I want to show you something really insane. Is I have recently just made this Discord channel for all of us to come together as a community and start talking about money making methods and money making applications and everything money, guys. I want to start helping you guys out with the motivation to get started making money as well. So I have its own little channel inside of this Discord, so you can start learning and getting motivational quotes and motivational videos right here, and so you can start to change the way you think and eventually possibly be this billion-dollar guy right here called or named Dan Pena. So there's different ways or different channels inside of this Discord where you can start learning how to make money on Discord, and we can start helping each other out as a community. And look at all of these people online at the moment, guys. So this is how crazy it is. It's starting to grow and grow as time goes on. So you need to hop on this Discord because I am just showing you different money making methods that I'm trying out myself. Right here where it says Edward, look at this Honeygain. I'm showing people how to get referrals on Honeygain. I'm talking to you guys about different money making methods and different money making tactics outside of YouTube YouTube, I want to show you Honeygain. Now I've talked about this in my previous videos, but Honeygain is an amazing platform, and this is not a paid promotion, guys. I just love it so much because I've made so much money from this one website alone, and this is 100% passive, guys. You literally just sign up under the link down in the comment section of this video or inside of the description. You sign up for your account, you're going to get a free $5 whenever you click the link down in the description, guys. And you just, once you link your account, you just let this application run passively. You just leave it on your mobile device and on your desktop, and you can start making some money passively. As you can see, I'm already up to $3, almost $4 right here, guys. I just woke up this morning. I'm already at 7 cents, and here is all the payout proof right here, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.